Rwanda is a land of 1,000 hills and just as many valleys. In this video, we will discover what life is like inside one of these little worlds. Located north of Byumba, Yaramba is a tea farming village known for its massive market, where villagers from the surrounding hills come to sell their produce. It is also one of the most beautiful settlements I have ever seen. We waited 4 hours for a motorcycle, so when one arrives, we don't hesitate. We are riding 3 deep on this bike and take every opportunity to stretch our legs and film the gorgeous natural scenery. The road is intersected by little paths where the people who live on the surrounding hills come down and walk to Jabana. They also have public wells where they get their drinking water. But unlike in town, the people here are very shy to appear on camera. In this scene, all the other kids ran away, leaving this sad little girl behind. I give her 100 franc coin, which is just enough for a lollipop. Eventually the bike runs out of gas, so we stop at a local station to get filled up. They don't have pumps here. The fuel is dispensed with a water bottle.
Bose amutubwira akadusigira akantu karimwe numvishe muri guhuza
agiye kuducuruza
shote rwose
nose umutipe baguriye ahubwo mumubwira bagurira akantu yinjiza
kwari umuntu tukorera.
As we are preparing to continue, we see someone walking down the path. She is one of the tea farmers.
Na tuje kureba kuno gace kameze twashaka no kureba abantu bakoramo cyane uko tubonye we gusa twumvaga twaza tukabasangamo ariko tubona harimo bakeya hirya niwe umukana simbizi hirya
She tells us they usually work in the morning, and this is one of their days off. Rwanda exports almost $100 million worth of tea annually, so if you enjoy a cup of Lipton in the morning, it might come from a place like this. Finally, we arrive at Jabana. To many of the people who inhabit the surrounding hills, Jabana is a big city, for some the biggest they have ever seen. Visiting nearby Byumba would be like traveling abroad, and Rwanda's capital Kigali might as well be a different world. But these people are incredibly self-sufficient and can produce almost everything they need locally, including booze. Hi, what's your name?
witwa nde?
Uwitonze Naomi.
So, do you prefer the local alcohol over regular alcohol?
None se ukunda ibi byo kunywa byengetse bya kizungu cyangwa bya kinyarwanda?
Bya Kinyarwanda.
Why?
Kubera iki?
Nkunda ibyengetse by'amasaka gusa nta kindi.
That he likes the local bananas and milk.
Okay, so which one is better, banana or milk?
Ni ukunda ikigage cyangwa
Umusururu. Ubushera.
Okay. So, do you want to buy some?
Urashaka kugura?
Kugura.
Let's go.
Ngwino kugurire. Winjira kugurire.
Ntabwo hano ntabwo nyambingo. Bibamo ntabwo
Can
mbingo.
you bring some?
Okay, the one that she wants to buy is not here.
Which one?
Ibyo ushaka kugura biri hehe?
Ibyo nshaka kugura hariya hirya.
The type of food that she wants to buy is there.
She is a little bit difficult. I feel sorry for her boyfriend. That's fine.
You have to cut it?
Yeah. Hello, so how much for the local beer?
Ngo byegurisha gute?
Yanyigurisha amafaranga 700.
700.
Okay, let me get the one made from banana.
Ngo arashaka kureba iyo ngiyo yegetse mu bitoki.
Ntabwo bishoboka. Yatsimbuka gusa.
Thank you. And can you open it, please?
Ushaka kumufungurira?
Aye n'ubundi ntabwo byava ngo batereka.
Wow, that's really good.
Very good.
Very good.
And then I like it to drink.
The drink has a distinct taste of ginger and bananas, but it is incredibly strong. So I don't have too much because we still have work to do.
Well, what did you do? What did you do to go to jail?
We chill for a bit and speak with the only man in the village who knows English. He learned in prison. You want to talk to the camera? No? No problem.
You can ask him, yeah.
So, what would you like to say to the people around the world?
urumva wavuga iki ku byerekeranye aka gace n'isi muri rusange? Aka gace kanyura kavuga iki? Abandi ndabona ari abacuruzi.
It's better to do it in English. He speaks English, right?
Ushaka kubivuga mu Cyongereza? Ushaka kubivuga mu Cyongereza ibyo ngibyo?
Okay. Let me just walk. I want to walk through the city.
Okay, can I give...
Consider supporting me on Patreon, where you can ask all your questions about Rwanda and other African countries. This village would be gorgeous if the road here was paved. I think cobblestones would look nice. Jabana is a market town, so the people from the surrounding villages bring their extra potatoes, beans, bananas, and other products here to sell in exchange for the things they need, like clothing or tools. Are you Maasai? Are you a Maasai? Nice to. Do you speak English?
Speaking
Kiswahili. Okay. No English.
No English. No English.
Are you from Kenya?
From Tanzania.
Tanzania. Okay. Nice to meet you. Sawa.
Thank you.
The Maasai are a nomadic people native to Kenya and Tanzania. It is interesting to see them so far away from home. While the Maasai sometimes use buses to cross national borders, once they are in an area, they walk everywhere. A 40-mile walk is nothing for them, and they can make the journey from here to Kigali if they wanted to.
none se waba abantu bari kudufutira batari kubagana
The houses are made from a combination of local bricks and these giant foundation stones, which are ubiquitous in Rwanda. It seems like every workman in the country knows how to form them into a neat masonry pattern. I feel like they have all the skills and materials needed to pave this area. What's with the mask? Mask.
The dust.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think we might be done.
Or some who are rejecting.
Wagize we umuhungu wawe yarakunaniye wakoze amakuru n'ubundi bikagenda neza ubona batari gutanga amakuru neza
I wish I could have gone further into the village, but after this long day of exploring both here and Byumba, I'm exhausted. The super strong drink didn't help much either. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.